Hello and welcome to day 14 of Bedtime Welsh, and it clearly really is time for the haircut. Maybe today is the haircut day, fingers crossed. So who do you have here with you now?
Nando.
Who's that? That's Nando, is it? Okay, because who was asking, Tilda was asking whether it was Nando or Nash yesterday, and you don't know, do you?
No.
I think they're the same cat. I just think it's the same cat. That's what I think. Oh, and that one is off now. Cat with red collar. It's red collar and blue collar. That's all we've got, really. Okay, so who do we want to say? Oh, there was a picture. Alice had sent a picture in. Oh, you liked that, didn't you? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, great picture, Alice. Loved that. And Tilda's doing really well. Yeah. And she wanted to... And Tilda's teaching her friends, isn't she? Yeah? What do you think of that?
Awesome.
Absolutely awesome. We think that's fantastic. And then Helena's doing really well. Does that make you think of Helena again? Yeah. So Helena's doing really well. If you think it's getting easier, that means you've been doing the work, and that means you're learning. So that's fantastic. And do we have anybody else to say?
No.
No, you don't think so? Okay, so let's get straight on into day 14. Now, let's make this one brutal. Yeah, it's 2 weeks. You've been doing this for 2 weeks, so that's an incredible effort. And now let's see just how much of it you can put together. And don't expect to get these right, okay? These are for you to make some mistakes. So first up, I want to speak Welsh with you now.
Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg hefo chdi rŵan.
Da iawn. Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg efo chdi rŵan. That's a nice big one to start with. Now, but I can't remember. So that's fairly, not too long. But I can't remember.
Ond fedra ddim cofio.
Ond fedra ddim cofio. What I wanted to say.
Beth o'n i isio dweud.
Beth o'n i isio deud. Neu dweud, if you're being a little bit more formal. So now how about, but I can't remember what I wanted to say.
Ond fedra ddim cofio beth o'n i isio dweud.
Ond fedra ddim cofio beth o'n i isio deud. So now I think time to finish with an absolute monster. See if you can remember all of this, but don't worry if you can't. I want to speak Welsh with you now, but I can't remember what I wanted to say.
Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg hefo chdi rŵan, ond fedra i ddim cofio beth o'n i isio dweud.
Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg efo chdi rŵan, ond fedra i ddim cofio beth o'n i isio deud. If you get anywhere near that, you're doing fantastically. As and when you can say that, why not do a video and send it to us in Slack, because we would love to see it. Because if you can say all of that together, however much time it takes, you're already genuinely speaking Welsh. So da iawn llongfarchadau mawr. And that's it for today. We'll have some more for you tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.
Ciao!